Islam starts and ends with the Shahadah, meaning that Islam revolves around the oneness of God, that God is unique in every element, that he is unique in all of his characteristics, and in what we say and what we do shows respect in light of that. So when looking at why should one embrace Islam, it's initially to show that reverence to God and having structure when performing that reverence and recognition of God. Allah says in chapter number 16, verse 36, "And verily we have sent to every nation a messenger proclaiming, worship Allah and avoid all false deities." You know, the word false deities in this verse is taghut in Arabic, taghut. And that means that which goes beyond the bounds, whether it's the individual or creation asking or demanding to be worshiped, or an individual that gives their reverence, which should only be confined to God, to this form of creation.